Straight from the garden. Habang nagkakape tayo. Ang ganda, di ba? Today is Tuesday na, mga ka-blessed. Ilang days na lang, uuwi na si Daddy. And alam nyo na, pag pauwi na yun, ha? Pilipinas time. Ang ganda ng bulaklak na to. Napakasimple. Ngayon, maghihintay tayo kay amang natatawag. Cloudy day today, at saka windy, at saka naambun, mga ka-blessed. So, ang galing na yung timing na nakapaglaban na ako lahat. So, gagawin ko pala ngayon, itutuloy ko yung pagplantsa ko. Na hindi ko na nagawa kahapon kasi sobrang init. But since today is maulan, ay maambun, makakapagplantsa tayo ng bonggang-bongga. Good morning, ka-blessed. Moana is awake na. Then, tonight, we're having dinner at Jenny's home. Ayan, mga ka-blessed.
Ouch.
Hindi ako maghahanda or anything at home. Kasi kami lang naman ni Moana.
My bone.
Oh, baka bukas na lang pag... bukas ng gabi. Or sa 26 na lang pagdating ni Daddy kami maghahanda. Let's go shop, mga ka-blessed. Bibili natin yung dadalhin natin mamaya doon sa ating pa-dinner. Doon kay Jeannie. Kasi may work si Jeannie ngayon. Tinanong ko siya kung ano yung gusto niyang ipabili sa shop. Ayun. Yun ang pupuntahan natin ngayon. At the same time, bibili din tayo na ating dadalhin doon. Come on. Where is it? So, ayan, ka-blessed. Hindi ko na pa nagbihis si Moana. Bibihis din niya namaya. See you there. Umaambon, umuulan. Umuulan na talaga. Ayun, oh. That's our weather for today. Ang awang outfit. Naka-short lang tayo. Ay, tayo na talaga. Summer naman na ngayon. Yung pagiging malamig, mahangin. Hindi siya ganun kasakit sa buto. Katulad kapag winter, ka-blessed, hindi ko talaga kaya. Okay then. Ito yung nabili natin. Ay, napili natin. Ho ho ho. Tapos na tayo ng shopping. Ayan. Umaambo na naman, ka-blessed. Ay, isang bag tayo. $54.98. Wow, grabe. Yun na family. Ganun lang. Kayo na mag-convert, mga ka-blessed. Diba? Whoa, look! Somebody is happy.
I'm very excited to go on Harrison's house.
Oh, you are very excited. That's nice. Is that yummy? Hey! Oh, lakas ng hangin. We are home na, ka-blessed. At ito yung mga napamili natin. Pumili ako nito. Dadalhin ko to doon mamaya sa dinner ni Jimmy. At saka ito. Ayan. Dalawa binili ko kasi 6 na ang laman. Okay, marami kaming bata. Saka ito din, gusto ng mga anak niya to. And then, itong juice. Para meron tayong inumin doon mamaya. And, capsicum. Actually, ito nga yung sadya natin doon. Bibili nito. Capsicum at sal. At saka red na onion. Ito ang gagawin ko, sasama ko sa balot. Hanggang ang ating tanghalian. And bumili ako nito. Kasi dyan ko ilalagay. At ito, ibibigay ko na din to sa kanya. Ganyan lang. Wala kasi akong iba makita doon na ano eh. Wala akong makita doon na unique na mga mapaglagyan. So, ganunin natin yan. Like that. Ganito.
Mom, Dad's watching you.
Ganito. Tapos yan. Tapos ilalagay natin yan dyan. Isisiksik na lang natin. O, diba? Baka matawas siya. Dadan! Meron na tayong Merry Christmas!
Mom, that was not fit on this one. That was
Hindi, ito ang pambalot natin, oh. Para kompleto ang ano. Kompleto ang pakulo. Merry Christmas, Jenny! Maybe when you watch this vlog, it's already New Year. Thank you, Jenny, for being so good to us. Thank you for giving me a lift always. Going to op shop. Ay, nako. You are the one. You are the real genie in the bottle. The magic genie. Yay! Dadan! I'm gonna wrap this genie and bring it to you later. Let's see. Hindi na makita yung loob.
Wow. Wow. So beautiful.
Like it?
No, I didn't like it.
So beautiful daw. Hindi na rin gusto. Moana silly. I thought you like it. I thought it's beautiful and you like it. You didn't like it pala. Thank you, Mommy, doing effort for this. But Moana still don't like it. So, magamit pa natin ito next year. Ayan, naka-blessed. Tapos na. O, diba? Talagang ko nang pwedsit sa tuktok. Merry Christmas, Jenny! See you later! Ang bata natin busy. Ito pala yung ginamit natin ka-blessed. Mabuti bumili ako ng ganito.
Mama, can I have the purple one? Mama, can I have the purple one?
No. Ay, ka-blessed. Nagsasaing pala ako. Kasi ang isa nag-request ng kanin.
Mommy. It's done.
Just wait a little bit.
No.
Maybe 3 minutes.
No, not really.
Yeah, because that one is just cooked. So you need to pain first. Then yung sabaw, ininit ko na. Nag-request kasi siya ng ginutom siguro. Hindi kami kumain kasi ng heavy meal kasi nga mamaya may dinner. So kung ano lang yung mga makita namin kakainin dito. But now, well, habang naghihintay kasi mamaya pa naman eh. Alas 4 daw, alas 5, mga ganyan. Well, maghihintay, mag-i-edit ako ka-blessed. Let's go editing. Edit tayo para meron tayong ma-upload. Bukas ng, ay 26 pala. Sa 26 si bukas may upload na ako. Oo nga no. Bukas may upload tayo. But mamaya pala, pamatulog na yung bata natin. Mag-aano tayo ng regalo. Mayroon sa regalo dito na babalutin ko. Para meron siyang bubuksan bukas. Alam mo na yung bata natin. Kasi galing kay daddy niya yun. Kasi meron na akong para sa akin, para sa kanya. Meron na. So, ngayon, edit tayo. Hugas tayo plato ka-blessed. At saka yung inedit ko na vlog ko noong linggo. Natapos ko na. And then, balak ko na isama yung vlog ko na yun dito sa vlog ngayon. Para sa 26, ma-play na siya. O, diba? But let's see, mga ka-blessed. Kung mataas ito, di mabukod natin. And see you later. Kasi huhugas muna ako ng plato bago tayo aalis. Ito, malinis na yan. Okay. Lagyan na lang natin yan doon sa lagayan. Then see you again later. Ang hugasin natin. At least ang lamesa natin is malinis. Ayan. May sabaw pa natira. Tapos na ako magbihis ka-blessed. Naghabat lang tayo. Ito yung suot natin. Check. Pasko daw eh. Yung bata natin, umiiyak pa din. Yan, Moana ka-blessed.
And then the Super Fire Truck. And then Heroes Save a Day. And Take It Dogs.
Ating inyong pendis. Ayan pa ang isa. The ambulance.
And the elf.
Yan yung kanina.
Mom,
Kanina
Santa Claus is on the
maingay.
fire truck.
Where's the other one? Tatlo yan sila eh. We are here, naka-blessed. Look at the beautiful wife. Ew, she's busy. And then the potato salad and the Christmas goodies. And look at that. Oh my god, it's Christmas color.
So red.
And there's more. Look at the table settings. It looks like we are in the luxury hotel. Wow, Ginny. You are so good and neat. This is her favorite color. She is a bit Mediterranean girl. Yeah, ang ganda, diba? Wow, the kids are over there watching telly. Oh, hello. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. Look at her tree. Wow, nice tree. Nice color. There's more. Look. Oh my god. No, it's so good. Maybe later than ever. Oh, wow. Christmas. Oh my god. Oh no. No diet tonight. Oh no. It's a
Okay. 10 or something. Haley. I know, it's so cute.
I like vampires.
Vampire?
Definitely like this.
You're watching Vampire?
Oh, here's that.
Yeah, this one, still the same guy.
wow.
Haley, can I have you? Still a prawn here.
Is it all good to you? I put you in my YouTube.
It's alright.
Okay, thank you. Hi. Welcome, Jane, to my channel. Happy Christmas Eve. Thank you. So,
Oh, no bone. And
can you pull Moana?
Moana pool.
1, 2, 3.
Maybe the kids.
Oh,
And
wow.
Moana pull this. Pull.
Pull, strong. Yeah. Oh, wow.
What's inside?
Yeah, what's inside?
Hey,
Wow.
what's
And then there's something here. And I did just.
Put the hair on the, okay, put the hair on the.
For you.
There's a crown.
What happens to the
There's a crown. Yeah, it's a crown.
And
You can
here,
wear this. It's a crown.
put the things out.
What happens to the
Do you want to change the color?
Pardon?
They are pink. Do you want to change color or it's okay?
I can read
Oh,
it.
yeah. You
And
can.
after that, oh, that's why. Oh, you are the king always.
I'm a princess.
Are you
Oh!
princess?
They're quite big.
Okay. All right, Vinny, come on. Start Vinny.
Hello.
Wow,
you're
good.
Sorry.
你有拍照吗？有拍你的肤色。Here, this hole. 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Haley!
It's okay. All right, let's eat. Sorry.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, Eileen. Ling, 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 ling. Ay? Ay? Ooh, peekaboo. Yay! Hello, kids. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Full of sugar. Leslie, what do you need?
I really love this.
It's cocoa.
It's a rainbow.
We are home, naka-blessed, and look what we wanna get. It's a present from Ginny.
Wow! It's not the box.
What's inside?
Wow! So beautiful.
Yeah.
Mom.
What will you say to Ginny?
Thank you. Princess!
Yeah, it's a princess. It's a Cinderella.
Can I open this?
Okay, you open it here first. Look. Wait. Wait. Ouchie. Ouchie. Maybe we need scissors?
Yes.
Wait. No, here. You open it now. And then pull. This one pull.
Wow! Puzzle!
Yeah, it's a puzzle.
And the book.
Wow.
A puzzle. In the picture.
And good night mga ka-blessed. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe sa mga hindi pa. And just comment down below para alam ko kung taga saan kayo. God bless and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.